Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. As you have seen on the title, that's what we're going to be unboxing today, and we're going to make it quick. So, let's get straight to it. Alright. That's very nice. Alright, so, upon opening the box, this is what we see. Let's take it out. And so we have a nice Nike logo and swoosh. This is the front of the box, as you can see. And we have the back, so we can see some of the previous Jordan models all around the box. Old advertisement back in the day. And that's pretty much it. And then the front, we have the 1985 Air Jordan 1. The name is Air Jordan 1 Retro High OGSP. The colors are Varsity Red, Black Sail. So, of course, size 9. And let's see how they look. Okay, so upon opening the box, we have nothing in the inner side of the lid. And then it looks like we have some design from Union, of course. And let's see how they look. So from what I'm seeing from the paper, we have a zigzag stitch, tongue top is overlay, laces black white, white black, Union yellow Pantone, flood. And so zigzag stitch, white. So basically, I guess what the design plan was for the shoe. So let's see. They're individually wrapped, I think. Okay. Yes, I think they are. Let me take one out. Yes. Okay, so. Ooh. So here is the shoe. We have 3 different set of laces. We have like a off-white, a yellow, and black. So it is up to you which is your preference. And it's a very beautiful shoe. So of course they did this with the Chicago and the Shadow Jordan 1, and then they mixed it, of course. Pretty obvious. This is going to be a simple review. I'm not going to get too much into the details. It's just so you guys can get a good look at how the shoe looks. And so, white Nike Air tag on the tongue. It has an exposed tongue. If you can't see that, you will see it in the close-up shots. And I won't be doing an on feet for these shoes just because I am going to sell them. And on the insole, it says Air Jordan. We usually see Nike Air, the inner side on the insole. That is not the case. And of course we have our yellow Union LA tag on the side, the outer side of the shoe on the uppers. And let's take both of them out and see how they look. So it's going to be the same thing for the other shoe. Of course it's the pair, just a little detail that they added was this a blue Jumpman tag, one thing, and it says Union right below the Jumpman. And of course, same thing, exposed tongue, a Nike Air white tag. Looks like it's made of paper. It's not even the polyester material. So, of course, Union LA tag on the outer side. You can see it right above that corner where the Jumpman tag is. And also your 3 set of laces and blue stitching on the uppers all around the shoe collar and on the tongue as well, if you can't see that. And of course, red sole. Same thing for the other shoe. So that's pretty much it, and we can get to the close-up shots, and then we can get to finishing up the video. So let's get to it. Alright, so that wraps up the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one.